KIZUNAL は日本語を通して絆を結んでいく活動をしています。
Let's get started. Today's role is Y row. Y row has just 3 letters in katakana and hiragana as well. Today's grammar is ね and よ. ね and よ. I'm gonna explain more later. Let's review the last week. You learned M row. Let's check. Right. Read each card. Please.
も、
も good job. も two side one.
ま、
good job.
め、
め good job. Today's row is Y. And let's add up as usual. Consonants Y. Anyway, Y and A. Y add
ya.
up. Yeah, good job. Y and A goes to ya. Okay, and then Y skip I. Y and U goes to
ゆ、
you. Good job, you. Y and O goes to
よ、
yo. Good job. Read again. Ya,
や、ゆ、
you,
よ。
yo. Yes, ya, you, yo. Ya, you, yo. Let's practice. Write down ya first. Ya. The first stroke is just like tsu. Tsu. Write the tsu. Tsu is here. T-row, right? T-row. Here. Tsu. This is tachi tsute to one of tsu. Write tsu on red lines. Write the tsu first, and then second is short line. And the blue line, slide and stop. You is a fun character to write. It almost looks like a picture of a fish. Go down and curve and brush up. And go down. This is you. This is you. Yo. This is yo. Sideline, left to right and stop. But red line is very short. And then go down and then loop and stop. Play the game. Yeah, you, yo. There you go. Just only 3 curse. Piece of cake.
Yeah.
や、
Yeah. Good. Yeah.
よ、
よ、
ゆ、
ゆ、
Let's go to get the word. Vocabularies using ya, you, yo. Let's get the more vocabularies. Snow. Snow.
snow、雪、
Yuki, good job. Hi. Vegetables. Vegetables. Today's letter.
野菜、
野菜。そうです。野菜。vegetables。野菜。good job. はい。mountain。
oh, wait. Oh, yeah, ま、
山。yes, 山。山 means mountain. Good. はい。dream。dream。
夢、
夢。very good. そうです。is very smooth. 夢。夢 means dream. M row. There are 5 letters. 5 letters. カタカナ。まみむめも。Sounds the same. However, shapes are different. Let's go to review. M row. はい。む、yes, む。
む、む、
crossing. ひらがな has this カタカナ。ひらがな include this カタカナ。
Me.
Good job, め。That's right, め。
Oh, me.
Me. はい、two sideline.
So, mo.
も、good job, も。This is も。はい、last one.
Oh, ma.
これ this is ま。ま is similar. カタカナあ。カタカナあ has curve brush, but ま is stop and stop. Let's go to カタカナ。Pronunciation is the same. ね。やゆよ。However, shapes are different. Let's practice them. や。ね、similar to ひらがなや、カタカナや is less round and has no second vertical line. You know, I show you ひらがな. This one is ひらがな. However, カタカナ doesn't have green line. ひらがな has a 3 stroke. However, カタカナ has 2 stroke. 1、2. But the red one is a sharpie. 1、2. 1、2. This is や. Next one is, shape looks like UFO. 1、2. Go down and sideline, stop. And then last one is YO, よ. The カタカナよ has 3 strokes in total. 1、2、3. The first stroke starts at the top left corner, moving to the right and making a 90-degree turn downward. So that's very easy. これ that's the English E. ね、
Yeah.
E. The
Just
meter.
E. Yeah.
ね、it's a meter with E. はい、here you go. You get only
よ
3 cards.
Yo.
よ。
や、
や。Good.
ゆ、
You.
This is gonna conversation and grammar. Let's go. Let's review first. You learned 2 adjectives. There are 2 types of adjectives, E adjective and na adjectives. E adjective examples are かわいい、ね、which means cute.
Yes.
涼しい、cool. E letters in the end. And then second adjectives are na adjectives. Examples are 静かな、元気な、元気な、元気、fine. でも we sometimes omit the na in the end. Like 元気ですか、元気です。Anyway, there are 2 adjectives in Japanese language. Let's check. Example sentence. Positive adjectives. この車は高いです。高い means expensive. Please read.
この車は高いです。
高いです。高いです。ほら、see? E is an ending. 高いです。expensive. And then, check negative.
この車は高くはありません。
高くはありません。As I told you last week, when you change positive to negative, remove E and add くはありません。 ね、高くはありません。はい。じゃあ、let's go to adjectives。私は元気です。私は元気です。Read again.
私は元気です。
私は元気です。あ、sorry, just the translation is different. I'm fine. I'm fine. で、ネガティブ。チェックネガティブ。I'm not fine. 私は元気ではありません。Read again. This is negative. Please. 私は元気ではありません。
私は元気ではありません。
ありません。元気です。です。change to ではありません。in the negative of adjectives. The conjugations are different in and na. はい。では、let's get the vocabularies and conversation. はい。Today's grammar is particle ねえんだよ。ねえんだよ。Let's practice. ねえんだよ。What is that? Those are particles. ねえんだよ。ね、particle ね。What's the particle ね? Please read.
Net is the end sentence of it is used when we want agreement. Net is similar to English tag question.
タグクエスチョンね。
Yo is similar to English you know and you see.
Let's check today's culture. How do you count from 1 to 10 on your hands? Please count. Let's check greetings. How do you say good night in Japanese? おやすみなさい。はい。
おや
すみなさい。I give you short version. おやすみ。おやすみ。もう、four letters. もう、ショートバージョン。おやすみ。はい、おやすみ。11:20。チェック11:20。親の1、2、3、4、5、6、7、8、9、10。で、easy. When you read 11, add up 10 plus 1. 10 is 10, right? 10 is that 10. 10 plus 1, 11. And then next is 12, 13, 14 or 14, 15, 16, 17 or 17, 18, and then 19 or 19, and then 20. Hi, your turn. これ、this is a base. This is a base. 10 is a base. 11. だから、add up 10 and 11. 11?
12
Good.
13
Good.
14 15 16
Good.
17
or 17?
7 8 wait
18?
18 and then 19
or 19 and
20
20. Good job. So let's go to
yeah.
20. 20 row the next week. Hi. YA goes to, how do you say?
Yeah.
Yeah, good job. And then Y and U. You. And then Y and O.
Yo.
Yo, good job. Review. Yeah and you and yo in your homework. And then Japanese particles. You learned Japanese particles. There are a bunch of Japanese particles. You check the two particles today. Ne can be used for agreement or a tag question in English. And then yo can be used for the assertion and confidence. Or you see, you know, I'm sure it's delicious. 美味しいですよ. And then when you are agreement, we are eating pizza, for example. あ、美味しいですね. It's delicious ですね. 美味しいですね. Like that.
おやすみ。
Now you got it. またね. See you next.
Bye bye.